And no smoking, please.
Flamingos over here. And the
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 20,000 animals over the past 50 years? You can learn more by watching our television series, Sea Rescue. Be inspired by the exciting real-life animal rescue stories and gain a better understanding of the rich array of sea life with which we share our planet. Watch Sea Rescue this weekend on ABC. Naturally, SeaWorld is known for world-class aquarium collections. Believe it or not, you can find some amazing aquariums in the gift shop Journey to Atlantis, where sharks circle above you and schools of fish swim around your feet. Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for the lush tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside dolphins. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll see Aquatica. As the cabin rotates, you'll see Mako, Orlando's tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster. SeaWorld's 200-foot-tall hypercoaster, Mako is named for one of the ocean's fastest known sharks and reaches top speeds of 73 miles per hour along nearly a mile of track.
Now I'm looking at it.
If you look for the icy rocks that tower above SeaWorld, you'll see our epic attraction, Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin, which transports you into the icy world of the penguin like never before. Experience the mysterious land through the penguin's eyes